Bumper to bumper, we love them old cars.
Sam, g'day and welcome to Bumper to Bumper. How you going?
Good, thank you, mate. Yourself?
I'm going excellent today. We're here at the Dandenong All Holden Day for 2019. You've brought your beautiful Warwick yellow HK 1969 Monaro.
Yes.
Mate, what a stunner.
Thank you. I bought this car 3 years ago.
Yeah.
It took about 2 years to restore. I bought an unfinished project.
Oh, okay. That would have been a bit scary.
It was. I was lucky because the body and paint was done. So all I had to do, get everything chrome, stainless all done, interior all underneath. So and got it all done and put together. So it took probably 2 and a bit years to do that. So yeah.
Now, with Monaros being so expensive these days, how'd you pick up this car 3 years ago? If you can say the price, you don't have to.
No, I was pretty lucky back then. It was expensive back then for a car that wasn't together.
Yeah.
But when today's price was pretty good. Yeah, I paid 66,000 for it, but as I said, it was unfinished, and then I had to spend a lot more to finish it off. To get it to this condition, it took a lot of time, effort, and money to get it to here. And I've got to thank Andrew from Automotive Restoration in Brayside. Yeah, he did a lot of work on this car, and attention to detail too.
All right, now. This car is a 6-cylinder.
Yes.
Right, so what engine has it got in it?
It's a 186S.
Right.
Factory 186S. It should have an Opel gearbox, but it's running the Aussie 4-speed at the moment, but we are going to put the Opel gearbox back in it.
Right, so is your intention for this car is to get it back to originally?
All original, yes. All original. It's only the 1%ers now to get it back.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, so it's 95% done.
All right, well done, because it's a beautiful looking car. What have you done in regards to restoring this car?
Well, mechanically wise, I got the car all running.
Yeah.
As I said, body and paint, and Andrew from Automotive Restoration, he put all the stainless bumpers, all the windows in. So he done all the cosmetic kind of thing, and I've done all the mechanical side of things.
So how long has it been on the road for now, mate?
Since July last year.
Right.
So took it to Motor Classica in October last year.
Yeah.
And it did well. It won 2 awards there. So it won the Best Australian and USA class and People's Choice Award. Yeah,
okay.
So
well done. It's a standout car. So you wanted to make sure it was trying to get back to 100% original.
Right. Yes. Yeah.
Right. Now, obviously you're in a car club. What's that car club?
I'm in 2 car clubs.
2?
Yes, I'm in the Monaro Club of Victoria.
Yep.
And the Monaro Club owners. So both fantastic people.
Yep.
And so like both clubs.
How are you enjoying your day here at the Dandenong All Holden Day?
Oh, I love it. The only thing I haven't put on is my sunscreen yet.
Oh, better do that, mate.
I'm going to get burnt if I don't do that. Yeah. So.
Okay, and lots of Holdens here, of course.
Yes, there is. On the oval, there's a lot of beautiful cars out on the oval, and there's a few nice HKs, T's and G's on the oval. And
Right. Now, obviously, you must get a lot of looks when you take this car out as well.
I do, and it's pretty scary when you get beside people, and it's great when they're doing their thumbs up, but when they're doing it and they're driving, it's pretty scary. So yeah.
Well, you just keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel.
Oh, yeah. We took it to the Monaro Nationals in Tassie, and a lot of my friends were saying, "You're an idiot to put it on the boat."
Yeah.
And I go, "No, we'll be right. We've got insurance anyway." So
yeah.
So did well at the Monaro Nationals too in Tassie.
And Tassie's a great place to actually go cruising too.
It was. We had there was 5 of us from the Monaro owners group, and we just cruised around Tassie for 3 days, and best experience of my life anyway. Down at
Fantastic.
Yeah, so.
All right, Sam, I want to say thank you very much for being on Bumper to Bumper.
Thank you, mate.
Mate, beautiful car, well done. Attention to detail is great, and good to see you at the Dandenong All Holden Day.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
cheers.
Chris.